price to share. Something unique and colorful with flair. Is it vibrant and bright or playful too? Does it feature a new design that's cute and true? You wanna try on something fun, play and run. You want an outfit that shines bright as the sun.